Yo, what up guys? I'm right here in my office and I want to offer you something amazing for free, something that will blow your mind. All right, now I've created a short video that reveals the 3 simple step process I use to make at least $100 per sales funnel design project I do. All right, I will show you everything, step 1, step 2 and step 3, so that at the end of the video you could replicate my entire system. All right, now I've been building sales funnels since 2015 and I've generated multiple thousands of dollars and multiple millions of naira from building sales funnels. I've used sales funnels to sell out my products massively online. I've used sales funnels to sell my products while I slept. Sales funnel design is a very high-paying skill. I advise you learn it if you are interested in doing business online. So in this video, I'll show you the 3 simple step process I use to make at least $100 per funnel design project. If you are interested to get that video, click the link below to get your copy for free. I can't wait to see you in class, guys. Peace out. Okay guys, as you can see, this is over $10,000 made in this account already. So let me reload. Loading. As you can see, everything remains the same. All right, I'll go to another account now and show you. This account has made close to $6,000. Reload. Okay, as you can see, everything remains the same. I've made multiple thousands of dollars. I have many accounts. All right guys, let's go there.